The story begins back in the early 2020s. Cryptocurrency was gaining ground in India, drawing the attention of traders and investors alike. However, the regulatory environment was murky at best. With no clear guidelines, many Indian crypto exchanges found themselves in a challenging position. Then came the infamous ban in 2021. India's Financial Intelligence Unit came down hard on crypto exchanges that failed to comply with their guidelines. Suddenly, trading on home soil became a risky business. This pushed many traders to seek refuge on foreign exchanges. But the troubles didn't stop there. Even as traders rushed to foreign exchanges, they were met with high taxation and further lack of clarity. This has led to a complex situation where traders are caught between a rock and a hard place. So, where does this leave foreign crypto exchanges in India today? The future is uncertain, to say the least. Market experts are calling for clearer regulations and lower taxes to enable a more conducive environment for crypto trading. But will these calls be heeded? Only time will tell. In summary, the future of foreign crypto exchanges in India hangs in the balance. The journey so far has been fraught with challenges, from regulatory ambiguity to high taxation. Traders have been forced to navigate these stormy waters in search of more secure trading platforms. However, the need for clearer regulations and lower taxes is clear. The crypto market in India is vast and untapped. With the right measures in place, it could become a major player in the global crypto scene. For now, though, traders and foreign exchanges alike wait in anticipation of what the future might bring. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. The world of cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-changing landscape. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, the future is not set in stone. It is shaped by our actions today. So keep an eye on the developments and make your moves wisely. Until next time.